And in a major development, Google on Monday announced an investment of 75,000 crore rupees to help accelerate India's digital economy. The announcement came after Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a discussion with Google and Alphabet Chief Executive Sundar Pichai on a wide range of subjects that included the challenges of the coronavirus pandemic and new work culture with the top business leader. Here are the details.
Addressing the 6th annual edition of Google for India virtual event, Google Chief Executive Sundar Pichai announced the digitization fund of $10 billion or 75,000 crore rupees in India over the next 5 to 7 years. Pichai called it a reflection of Google's confidence in the future of India and its digital economy. He added that he was optimistic about Prime Minister Modi's vision for digital India and Google will work towards it. The investment will focus on 4 areas: access to different languages, building new products and services for India, empowering businesses and leveraging technology, and AI in health, education and agriculture.
The Google for India Digitization Fund. Through this effort, we will invest 75,000 crore rupees or approximately $10 billion into India over the next 5 to 7 years. Investments will focus on 4 areas important to India's digitization. First, enabling affordable access and information to every Indian in their own language, whether it's Hindi, Tamil, Punjabi, or any other. Second, building new products and services that are deeply relevant to India's unique needs. Third, empowering businesses as they continue or embark on their digital transformation. Fourth, leveraging technology and AI for social good in areas like health, education, and agriculture.
Earlier, Prime Minister Modi tweeted that he had an extremely fruitful interaction with Pichai. Their discussions covered the challenges posed by the global pandemic and the importance of data security and cyber safety. Addressing the event, Information and Technology Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad spoke about the spread of digitization of rural areas and India's app economy.
In the last 5.5 years of our journey, the way Indian digital products from digital payment to Jam Trinity Jandar Aadhaar Mobile to direct benefit transfer, sending billions of dollars and saving billions of dollars from being appropriated by fictitious claimants. All this is changing the digital narrative of India of digital inclusion. From Aadhaar to UPI to GSTN to Ayushman Bharat, all are operating on digital platforms developed by homegrown innovative technology by Indians.
HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank spoke about Google's contribution to the Digital India revolution. He also explained how Google's investment will boost the ePathshala platform. Google is investing $1 million to boost digital education in India.